another painful loss. We won't mention names. Yeah, 87% of that also gone. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Recording from Qatar, just as I'm traveling, and going to be videoing a work from home video. But what I wanted to do was an update on my portfolio. So it's a bit of a bittersweet one. So it's actually been a year since I started the investing in the stock market videos. I've only done 4, which is so bad, but I guess I'm motivated again to do it because things are going somewhat well. So the reason I was really going to post this video was because I was going to sell, my whole portfolio, and in total I would have made an 8% loss, which hurts a bit. But if anyone was watching the previous videos, I was on about 50% loss at one point.
Damn.
So to be on 8%, I'm buzzing with that. And that's because a lot of my other stocks that I bought post that video have done really well. That portfolio has done so well. It's done 33% return. In total, I've got £307 in that portfolio, but 77 of that £307 is just pure profit. So I'm buzzing with that. We thought it'd be 10%, 7% return on the year, and it was 30. So the stock market does work. You can still make money from it, despite what you're hearing out there. Of course, it's not, the 2x, 10x that Bitcoin and other places are doing, or other investments, but you can still make a considerable amount from that. Way more than a bank would give you an interest, so it's still viable. Also, Trading 212 actually provide a 5% interest on any money that you haven't invested, but you basically hold in their sort of app, or let them hold basically that is uninvested. So yeah, it's a bit like a better bank than what you actually get, except you just can't make payments. But just highlight the stocks that were in that YouTube portfolio. So there's Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and then I got 2 ETFs, so S&P 500 Vanguard and the FTSE All-World Vanguard. And then there's McDonald's, Facebook, Meta, AMD, IBM, and Unity in there. So it's like mainly top tech companies and a couple of ETFs. And then, we'll call Tesla, or there's Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, which are kind of like your commodities in terms of household items or medicals. So yeah, that portfolio's done well. So whoop-de-doo, I made 70 quid on a £230 investment, but my portfolio obviously on the whole is down by 8%, and I want to kind of sell any losses and actualize any losses that I've made, because I want to put that money towards better stocks, and there's a considerable amount that I've lost. So let me just cover that, because everyone likes to watch me suffer and likes to watch other people suffer. So off a £1,400 investment, 50% of that.
It's a woozy, it's a fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart.
And I've got a company called Tattooed Chef, gone into liquidation. £560 gone. I've got a company called DraftKings, which was actually, I don't even remember what company it was before that, but they were acquired by DraftKings, and that's why it shows up as no profit or loss. And then Ag Eagle Aerial Systems, 98% loss, £95 out of £96 invested, gone. Zomedica, 80% gone, £260 of that £300 investment gone. And to be honest, I tried to average down on that one because I thought there was a bit of hope in the technology and the way they were pushing the company, but I tried to get in contact in terms of saying, I'm an investor, what do your company do? We need some more belief, we need some articles, but it wasn't good. And I've put Then again, another painful loss. Out of a £900 investment, all on Neo. Don't know what I was doing, but, well, it wasn't actually me, so I'll take the excuse. But don't know what I was doing, giving money to someone who invested that for me. Someone. We won't mention names. But, yeah, 87% of that also gone. Can't believe it. Because Neo was like this up and coming like Tesla competitor, and you know, there were signs that they were going to do well, and for them to be doing the way they are now, and for that whole investment to basically go to basically nothing, or 10% of what it was, it's a shame. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the YouTube investing in the stock market series, apart from only posting 4 times, but it shows that you still can make money on the stock market. In terms of the losses that I made, I'm not really bothered, to be fair. The pain I had for that was like last year, where I was really worried about it, but now I'm just like, it is never coming back. Let's just go into something new. But I think that's a mindset to have when you're investing, is just, you know, when you do invest, don't hang on to the money. Just feel like it was going to go anyway. I was going to spend it on something, so this is capital I'm willing to risk. So anyway, with that being said, thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned in, I'll do some more portfolio updates. And please like and subscribe. See you next time.